Hey guys, just a quick video with Hiccup here on how to use leg aids, right? So this is me teaching Hiccup how to respond from my leg. So I want my leg to mean the exact same thing as the neck rein video that you would have watched prior to this. So when I slide my leg back, how far I put my leg back is the degree of turn. Now he didn't listen to that, so I took him all the way into a spin, and that's just with my outside leg. I didn't use any rein, and you don't want to use any rein. I got my rein off to the side, but my hand is stagnant. All I do is put my hand off to the side because he's so broke to the neck rein now that he knows going to the left is all we're going to do. And then I want him to teach him the degree of turn. So that's why I put him out first. I put him out in a big circle or a straight line, and then I just open my hand a little bit, and then I freeze. So I don't do anything with my hand, so it's kind of turned off. And then he starts listening to my leg. The degree in which I put that leg back will be how tight he turns. And he can only turn to the point where he stops his back end. And then after that, if I keep adding leg pressure, he should speed up. Exactly like the neck rein is delivered, the pressure in the neck rein. So first of all, they just keep turning tighter and tighter till they can't turn any tighter once they pivot on the back end, and then more pressure means faster. And that's what I'm teaching him here. So anyways, hope that helped, guys. I know a lot of times people are always using their leg to turn their horse in the beginning, and you'll hear me say, don't use your leg yet, he doesn't know how. So now you can teach your horse to turn off the legs and take him a step further to ride him bridleless. It's important to know that I never use two aids to steer a horse. Like I would never use my leg to turn him as I'm using my rein, right? It's just confusing to the horse. If I'm going to turn him with my leg, I keep turning with my leg and teach him everything about that. Then I got my maintenance program if it don't work, and same goes with my rein. Anyways, guys, I hope that helped, and I will see you on the next one.